Down here, if you look, you can see all these exposed wires, but there's one in particular that stands out. Probably not going to focus too well, but look right there. There's a break. Technically, I should be able to just give it the old tug test, you see. A red and black wire, if you follow that down, power supply relay 2. See if I can get that stripped back and see if that restores our no start. Get the camera down there that good, but you can see corrosion on the end of that battery tray. And there's a couple other wires that are chunked out. If this does restore it, I'm going to have to pull the battery tray out and repair some wires. So as you can see, I got my yellow jumper wire. Touch it to here. Look at that. You should start. Runs like crap, but like I said, there's more broken wires down there. We restored power to the other half of the fuse box.